This Hummer H3 can survive rough terrains, but it did not survive a regular car wash. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be repairing and reinstalling a top hood cover on a 2006 Hummer H3. Unfortunately, this top hood cover did not survive going through the car wash. This is one thing that annoys me about American engineering. So if you want this cover to be removable, then yes, do put some tabs on it so you can remove it if you want to. But if you want it to be permanent, sure, glue it on. Make it permanent. But don't make it both ways, that you put tabs on it to be removable, yet you put glue on it so it's permanent. Just make up your mind. Now you're making me confused if I can remove it or not. Glue it if you want it permanent. Have the tabs on if you want it to be removable. And make the tabs stronger, not like this, that it just broke off in the car wash. Since I don't have any plans on removing this later on, I'm just gonna put super glue on the tabs where it broke off and on the glue areas. Then when I put it in, I'm hoping that the tabs would align where it was broken off, and the glue will help to secure it back in its original location. So hopefully that would work, and I just want this to be intact and not flying off whenever I'm driving it in the car wash. Let's see if it works. Okay, so we're gonna start putting super glue on the designated areas that I wanted, like the tabs that broke off. So hopefully they would reattach securely on where they broke off and on the glue parts that they originally put in, which is, you can actually see the markings on this hood top cover. So hopefully it works. Again, this is just a suggestion from me. You don't have to do it. If you have money, then just buy a new top cover if you want. But I'm cheap, so I'm just gonna rely that this works. Right, so I'm gonna start with the broken tabs. I'm gonna put a lot because I really don't wanna do this again. And just so you know, I did clean this area. Just doesn't look clean enough, but it's good enough for me since I'm never gonna see this area again. Now align the not broken tabs in their holes, and hopefully it aligns also on the tabs on top, the one that's broken. Then hold it for a minute or so it secures itself with the glue. Alright, it seems to be holding up. So that is how you repair and reinstall a top hood cover on a 2006 Hummer H3. I know it's not the best repair in the world, but it works, so that's good enough for me. So this has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arja, and thank you for watching.